freezing cold. Trying to do a second hole.
Yeah, you can walk around.
Oh, whoa. Second tent. Alright, here's our first meal. Look at this. Oh yeah. Okay. Much better. I don't look like keeper. Holy shoot, man. We are packing up the truck so we can have everything ready for the ice fishing trip and critical equipment. We have a barbecue grill, plenty of meat over there. It's so cold you don't need to refrigerate these things. We just put it outside. Sometimes it freezes up. Plenty of drinks around. And that's it. There's all the tent there. There's 3 tents. Alright folks, we're on the way right now. Heading toward North Bay, right? Got some coffee ready. And we got bombing, right? Bombing. Banh mi. Sandwich. Sandwich for breakfast. And ready to go.
Starbucks water coffee.
Yeah, Starbucks coffee. Alright, it's gonna be a good 3-hour ride north.
3.5.
3.5, okay.
4 hours.
Oh man, 4 hours now.
3.5 plus 4 hours.
We're going up there and what are we doing? Getting some bait first, right?
We stop get releaser first, and then we get some bait.
Okay.
You get there about we eat lunch first and then we do something.
Oh, we eat again.
And we eat again.
We go fishing.
That's right. Alright folks, we're here now at Billy Bob's Bait and Tackle. And we're gonna grab some bait. Some minnows. Look at all this ice fishing rod they have here. Okay, and all the gears. Man, have everything you need before you go. What are you buying, brother? What are you getting?
She get some minnow, some bait.
Okay. And the minnow is right over there. Yeah, you don't need that. We're gonna get a fish that big. There's more jigs.
Your total is $70.03, $70 bucks, right?
More jigs. We just got 4 dozen here. They feel like it's not enough, folks. And I heard that you mentioned you can order bait in advance. He'll put it out there, and all you do is drop the money in the box. That's pretty cool. Convenient. What's up, Billy?
Hey, long time. Who is that? Your wife?
No, that's me.
When you don't have a receipt.
Well, what happened? You don't have the receipt. What happened?
They asking you and
They put you in jail.
Oh, damn. So, guys, you come to Canada and fish, you better have receipt for all these minnows. You're not allowed to catch them without a special license. Hold on to it.
Okay, have a good day.
All right, guys. Good luck. Have fun.
All right.
See you later, boys.
Later, bro. Take care. Freezing cold. It is freezing cold right now. There's our truck. We're stopping halfway. We just drilled 1 hole right here already. Oh, my hands are like shivering. Woo. Trying to do a second hole.
Yeah. Go.
There we go. It's taking in very deep. I think it's over 16 inch. There's the rod went all the way down. Woo! Oh my God. Oh, there it goes. It's going down, it's going down. Whoa! Oh, shoot.
Mà cũng sắp tới rồi.
Oh. Look how deep that go, buddy. That's only 2 holes.
Vừa bấm vừa kéo anh đi. Không reverse.
There you go.
Mình bấm nó mình dở lên thôi.
Whoa, my hands are like shivering. Wow. Wow. Holy shoot. Oh.
Sâu hơn ở trên.
Alright, we're gonna test out these 2 holes. You doing a third one?
Yeah.
Doing a third hole now. Oh.
Yeah, good now. Cái đá nó xót rồi. Đừng có cắt sợi nhựa.
Don't tell me.
Battery die?
I don't know. Shit, the jewel died.
They made an answer.
Look at this crack on the ice. You can see it through the snow. We're gonna have to see if we can figure out. Maybe it's the drill didn't die, hopefully. I'm gonna get a new battery and see what happened. Alright. Gotta remove the snow from the hole. Oh man, look, it's froze again. Holy shoot. We just drilled this.
Can we see the bottom?
Huh?
Can we see the bottom?
Hey, look at the crack near your feet. The ice crack. See it? Holy shoot.
I love the sound of cracking.
Oh my God.
Thunder.
Ah. Oh my God. Oh, my fingers, they're freezing again. What is this, minus what, 26 right now? 20?
No more.
Oh my God, my fingers are like frozen right away. Holy shoot. Oh. Huh?
Người bạn
What are you looking for?
YouTuber ở bên New York thì mỗi năm cửa lâu lâu cũng chạy qua bên này chơi. Cũng đâm.
What?
Oh, I can see all the way down.
You can?
You gotta put some lights on. What's that?
You want to see all the way down? Can't. I can't see, man. It's too deep.
You can see nothing.
All right, so Peter got the bait minnow. Yeah, he's gonna try it out first. Okay, they're setting up the rod. Oh, look at this. Look at this cool little rod case. I don't know where it came from, but it's made. Yeah, somewhere in the U.S., right? Since they don't have any sponsor on it, I can't promote their brand.
This one come from China.
Yeah.
100% is China.
No, it's not. Not from China. This is made in the USA. It looks like a shotgun here.
Một cần của nó bèo bèo cũng
And it can hold up to how many rods? 16? 12 rods. 12 ice fishing rods. Look at that. They fit all of them in here with the reel and everything. Brand new. As you can see, we don't even have anything on the tackle boxes. They're empty. We have it somewhere else.
nếu mà cần thiết kiểu này chiều nay ở trên.
There he goes. Peter's dropping it down first. Come on. Get one right away. I don't want to drop my camera in there. Look how deep that hole is, folks. Andy's gonna set this one up.
Oh, Peter won the first fish. That's why he's doing the rush.
What? Peter, yeah. He wants the first fish. You're right. Let's stay here. We'll put on our tent. But at this point, we are randomly selecting locations. All right, we have 3 rods down. Are you jigging? No, you have minnow, right, Andy? All right.
Hello,
There we go. We have another one. And finally, Yamin is taking this one. Oh, look at that. Look at the icicles. That's what happened when it's instant freeze.
Because we use braided line.
Yeah. Braided line caused that, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, first spot, no good. We're gonna head back out and try a second spot somewhere else. Okay, so we are picking this location, kind of, as our final stop. We are unpacking right now. The gentlemen are working very hard.
I know. You're the one who holds the camera.
We unpack one truck first because we have tents. We're gonna set up maybe 3 tents, Mian?
1 sanitary,
Yes, 3 tents.
1 gambling, and 1 sleep.
All I see is his butt right now on the camera. Is the big tent right here? Big ass. Oh yes.
Ủa thằng kia ơi, nói nhiều chuyện hả? Mình á. Quá nhiều chuyện mà thằng này á.
Alright, there they go. It's a big one. Right in between right here? Right in between the trucks, guys? Is that what we're doing? Alright, right in between the trucks. Alright, here's the tent coming back out. We want to make sure we are blocking the wind. So we have 1 truck here, and we have another truck over here. We're gonna have the tent right in between it. Well, I don't know about the second and third one yet.
Okay, today you get to record it.
Yes, I do. Last time you opened it all by yourself. All right, there they go. To go inside and push it out? There you go, he's inside. Pushing it. There you go. He did it. He's that. You got it open. Yes.
Yeah, you can walk around.
Okay. Right. He's helping them out. It is so cold that Peter is trying to warm up right now. His hands are freezing. Should we connect? Couldn't you connect this tent with that tent so you have like 2 tents together?
I don't even match it, man.
Yeah, but then you can't get out. It's only 1 entrance, right?
2 engines.
This one has 2?
They both have 2.
Oh, they both have 2? No way.
Safety.
I didn't know that. Wait a second. This is the second entrance here. I never knew that. Oh, there's that zipper right here. That's the second entrance. For safety reason, guys. Oh, he's opening that one up. Oh, it's the red one. That's the one that he lost last year. The wind blew it and it went somewhere else. He recovered it. Is this the one, Himian, that you recovered it?
Yeah, last time.
Yeah. Hey, it's going toward the truck.
Pull back.
Pull back? Okay. Pull it.
Ở trong. Yeah. Rồi, ở trong.
Need the middle. Need the middle up, right?
Okay.
And he's anchoring down everything. There we go. Oh, it sounds like he's gonna die already. All right, so he started already. How many anchors? Just started 1?
Yeah.
Okay, that's your first one.
Yeah.
slip that right in. Oh man, that's frozen. Oh. There we go. Tighten that up. We might have some turbulences tonight. Yeah, gotta be prepared for that wind. Whew. Nice and warm in here already. Toasty, look at this heater. It's hot. All right, so we have plywood in here now. This is to get, my cousin told me that it's to prevent the cold air from coming up to our foot. Because it get really cold at night. Okay. All right, so why are we putting a number, right? We have a number here.
You get a hot license. Any material made less than 72 or 75 square feet, I forgot.
Okay.
But anything less, you don't need it. But anything bigger, which this one about 100 and something. So you need the license. Register is free.
Oh, okay.
So,
Good to know. So we come Canada ice fishing. That's what you need to do. I'm sure U.S. is probably similar law.
yeah,
Thank you.
that'll be the law.
Yep. All right, first thing we had to do was figure out the arrangement on the bed. We have 5 of us, and we have to make sure we can fit all 5 beds. This table is going out at night, and the arrangement that we did, you'll see later on, it worked out. First, you have to just make sure we can stay in this whole area together. And we have a second tent. And this one is storage for food, drinks, everything that we have here. Okay, and we're gonna also, we want to keep it here so it doesn't freeze. We're running it under low flame just to kind of maintain a certain temperature. That way none of our drinks are frozen. We have enough of liquid here for 2 nights and probably extra to go home. Is it as deep? Yeah, still as deep? Oh man. It's still going down. Whoa, made it.
Cái này là mấy con trên đá. Gọi là fishing.
Uh-oh.
Bấm tiếp.
Wow.
That's the hole.
That's pretty deep, man. Yeah, that is the hole. It's pumping. This is gonna be our outdoor ice fishing hole. After this, if you guys are hungry, we're gonna take a break and have some sandwich. Yeah. All right, folks, this is the Douglas rod, and from Douglas Outdoor, by the way. This is sponsored by them. They gave it to me to test it out, and this is the 32 MLF. It's meant to catch perch, and it's meant to catch crappie, and also meant to catch panfish. So we're gonna check it out and see if it works.
All right.
All right, I'm jigging with it. Jigging work, guys. Check this out. Look at the rod.
Coming.
It's supposed to come with perch, right?
And clear that ice.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Whoa!
Nice
Oh
one.
my God.
Oh.
On the jig, baby. Look at that jig. He liked the pink
Yeah.
one. Finally.
Nice. Look at
yeah. Douglas, you got a fish. Awesome, bro.
All
Take
right.
off my glove. All right, so you know this thing works and it's very sensitive. I like the action on it. Definitely check them out. I'll put a website on my description. Take a look. They're not expensive either, so it's worth the investment in owning this rod right here, baby. Yeah. All right, here's our first meal. This is to snack only. We're not gonna have a full meal. Everybody get a piece of steak. And here's the grill. Propane is on. Wow, look at that. It is so cold. that the braided line, when you lift them up slowly, you get these icicle forming. Okay. Oh wow, he just set up the line here and he just got fish already. What kind is that? What is it? Oh, nice perch. Oh my God. Hey guys, first perch. First perch, man. Wow. Already. Oh, I should go snap jig the other side then. Okay. Oh my God, look at that Peter cooking steak for us. Look at this. Whoa, nice. Yeah. He has a fish. He lost one. What the heck? They like bait. They don't like jigging. Not like perch.
Perch again.
Oh, nice size perch again, guys. Perch number 2. We're still on it.
Minnow, please.
Yes, you go get your minnow. I'm recording.
Oh my God.
Your minnow's still good.
No, it died.
Oh, okay.
Hey, it doesn't work. My shit work.
Perch is licking. Oh, wow.
Perch.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Whoa. Whoa, that's a good size perch. Wow. And we saw him in the camera. Wow. They like bait. Awesome catch. Rod down, rod down. Rod down, man.
It's a
You
big.
got him. It says big.
Gotta be pickerel.
Whoa. 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 Yeah. Oh my God, look at the size of that perch. Holy shoe. Wow. Dude. That's a monster. Holy shit. Do you think yours is big? Look at this one. Oh my God. That's crazy. Whoa. Damn, we need more of that. How many inches is that?
That is female.
Yeah, that is.
Over 12.
Wow. All right, let's see, man.
Measure the top.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God, 12 inches.
12. Look at the
12 and a
tail.
quarter.
12 and a quarter.
Take the video on the face, okay? And go to the tail. Go to the tail, yeah.
Wow, that looked good, man.
Yeah, it's not over.
Look at that.
Not overcooked.
Look at that steak.
You on?
A little bit medium. It's on a medium side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. We're bougie, man, eating steak like this. We're ice fishing.
I didn't do it.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Whoa.
Oh,
Oh.
you lost it. You spit. It's a keeper too.
Oh,
It
wow.
was keeper too.
It was a big one. Oh, look. Look, recording. Oh, it is. It's recording. Oh my God, look, he's looking at it. He didn't hit it yet. Oh, hit it. He hit it. It's in his mouth. Oh, got him.
Double hit.
Got him.
Double hook.
Okay.
What's that? Big go or push?
Perch, no, pickerel.
See, go qua dây dây.
Whoa. Look at that pickerel.
It's not keeper.
No, it's small.
It's too small.
Yeah.
Ready?
Go. Yeah. Bye.
Okay.
I don't
Oh, another one.
Oh, my job.
Here, come record.
You want to get it?
Yeah. Oh,
What do you got?
oh. Probably perch. Oh, nice. My God, he's big. Whoa.
It's too small, man.
What you got? Whoa, another big one. Nice. Look at the sun, man. I can't see that. Yeah, I need the sun. There you go. Fighty, fighty. Coming. Oh man. Oh wow. Not a good one. Not a good size. Woo. Good job. Good job. Oh, we're gonna. Oh. Take.
Just let them go.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Cái nhẹ nhẹ cái.
Come on. Come on.
Nhẹ nhẹ thôi.
Look at that rod. Look at that rod. By the way,
Chết phát hiện khoai.
this is a Douglas rod, guys.
Chết phát hiện khoai này cái. Chết khoai này. Khoai này. Tụi mình đi. Tụi mình. Cái nhẹ nhẹ đi.
Kéo nhẹ nhẹ lên đi cho nó kịp.
I think he got it. Oh! Got him! No freaking way.
Cause walleye, you have to let them go.
Oh shit, man.
You lost it?
It didn't set.
Đến làm gì đó?
Oh, come back. I think he's on, no?
No.
Oh! Oh! Wait, did he hit the ice?
You got him.
Oh, it's a perch.
You're up here.
Oh my god. Nice, very nice. Woo! Oh, that hard work. No, false alarm?
I don't see it.
Oh, I see shaking. Come on, somebody. He's on, yeah.
He's on.
Can you like go the other way? Can you walk around? We need the sun in your face.
Andy.
Billy have to pull one up soon. Perch. Another perch.
Not a big fat one.
He's big fat. Yeah, big fat one.
Wow, look at that. Whoa. Oh.
Right on the mouth, eh?
It's a big fat one. Nice.
1 pound.
1 pound. $5 a pound. Oh my God.
I can put it down and take it.
What the hell, man? I said just stand here then.
Where are you going?
I'm jigging. Maybe I should jig in this hole then.
Oh no.
Why?
You do that, don't you?
It's guaranteed. Let me jig something. Let me go jig. Ah, look at that, baby. What is this that you're bringing to ice fishing? Pho. Holy crap. We're gonna have pho doing ice fishing. That's crazy.
Wow.
I guess this is how we cook pho. Oh my gosh. Flamethrower. Oh. 500,000. Soup was frozen, by the way. Now it's in liquid form. Look at that. Pho soup is ready, man. Whoa! Smoke it. Oh my God, man. Look at this good stuff. Look at this. Whoa. I'm here with the brothers. Cooking inside a tent. Look at that. Woo. These can be all the veggies.
I still have a little.
And then have some beef.
Đây.
And he's reporting everything too.
Ủa, thật thế đâu rồi, sao không thấy gì đâu.
In two different languages.
Mới cầm bài nữa mới bài.
One in Vietnamese,
Không có chỗ.
one in English.
Đây nè. Đây nè. Đây là vỏ nè.
Ah, look at that.
Ăn cũng khoe, làm cũng khoe. Livestream không có chữ thề.
Oh yeah, Andy's enjoying that soup, baby. Can't do that in Ice Hut easily.
Canadian muskie.
Canadian muskie. Again, look at this. You're hot. Oh yeah. See the rod?
Rico?
Vô thôi.
I think it's pickerel. Got him.
There you go. Rico?
No, not big. It's a baby. Oh, that's a
nice
perch.
one, man.
Oh, yay! Again on Douglas rod at night.
Yeah.
Woo!
Good one.
Thank you. Oh, look at that. Wow. Took the minnow. Nice. Woo! Beautiful. Oh, shoot.
Nước đổ đá không sao thấy.
Wow. This is nighttime, guys.
Vừa ra khỏi lỗ đụng vào
Oh, shoot. You were so quiet out there. You didn't call us.
I did.
Oh, you did? See, I thought I heard something. Oh my God. Very good, man.
23, 22 and a quarter.
No, they're too small. Put them up.
Yeah. You have to let it go? Okay, let it go.
Only 23.
Wow. You ready? All right, go ahead. Whoa! Jump right in.
You come right in?
Yep. Didn't have to release him to didn't take much. Wow.
Now,
oh,
my
your
turn.
turn.
Hold it.
Oh. See, everybody on camera. Oh my God, it's a big one. Wait, maybe it's the same fish.
The same one.
Oh no, that'd be funny.
No. It's too deep for that.
Wow.
He's too deep.
Wow. Wait, I gotta record him this way. Oh shit.
Are they both recording?
That's nothing. Here's another
Oh
one.
wow. Oh! Double! Oh my God. Oh, you see that's a hot hole.
Match hand.
Yes, look at that. Wow.
One walleye.
Wow.
What happened
What good?
No, I gave him the rod because I was gonna go get
Told me to
bait.
hold him.
I tried to hold it.
Andy, that's why I slay. They fight.
Ah,
Yeah, now you can go back to the water.
right, free to go.
Free to go.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Up,
And-
Perch, your dinner.
And this one we give it.
Very good, very
Yeah, very
good.
good.
Nice. Good job. This is night fishing, folks. We have a lot of activity going on today. Oh, I'm recording right now. I'm running toward you. Oh, need some light. Okay, much better. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a strong one.
What do you have?
Oh,
I don't see it. I need light, man.
coming.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Oh.
What do you got?
Oh man. What you got there, bro? Something big, eh?
What's that? Pico?
Ah, yeah, I think
That's
so.
pico,
I
pico.
think so. Yes.
Yes.
Pickerel.
Đây là cái cảnh là quay livestream.
Come on. Oh. Yeah, it's a pickerel.
Pico.
Good size.
Got to be a keeper.
Yeah. I don't look like keeper.
That one can keep it.
No? Oh, wow.
Oh, I got to go inside.
Okay, let's go. Go in and measure it. Oh, you swallowed too? Oh, man. Okay. Oh, it's so cold out here, folks. You don't believe it. Our hands are like frostbite almost. Don't walk into any hole. Keep your eyes open. Holy shoot, man. Oh, my finger. Oh, wow. Okay, we're back in the hut. Oh. 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 Yeah, he looked like he's short. You need the measuring stick? Where's the measuring stick? Oh, up on the wall, yeah. Okay.
Cái con nãy của nó 20 bao.
Yes, it's a keeper.
Yeah.
Keeper, right?
Yeah.
Oh, keeper!
Keeper.
Oh, keeper, baby!
Sitting.
Wow.
It's too close.
Yeah.
Nice, yeah. Yeah.
15 and 3/4 right here.
More. 7, 8.
Yeah, 7, 8.
There you go.
Yeah.
16 inches.
So how many inches has to be?
15 and 3/4.
And up, right? Up to 16.
And not down.
Up to 17 and 3/4.
Oh, wow.
You got 2 inches.
Yay! First keeper pickerel walleye for Americans.
Đây là cái con
Yeah.
đầu tiên giữ lại.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Over your rod.
Oh! Got him!
Atta boy. You're doing good nighttime, man.
Uh-huh. Yeah! Oh, look how fat this is! Look how fat this one is! Wow!
Nice.
Woo! Damn! What you got there? Oh, wow, he's big. Holy shoe. Wow. Very good.
Ê, cần câu đó. Phải quấn lại đi.
Oh man. It's a big one. Very active, man. Perch night. All right, let's see. Let's see. I am. You're on. You're on. Let's see. Let's see the professional. Oh! He actually got it.
Small. Hole again.
Wait, see? Oh, it's double hook. Be careful.
Yeah.
It's coming up. It's coming up.
Come on. Pickle.
Oh! Oh my God! That's a big pickerel. Holy shoe. I mean, it's perch. I mean, that's perch. I say pickerel.
So released.
This guy. It's the same one, probably.
Yep.
Check his belly, man. Holy shit. Unbelievable.
How many twice?
There's more. There's more.
6 twice.
There's more.
Pull it, let it go. Whack.
Do that. All right. Hurry. Oh shit! You're wrong. The fish took it.
No, he took my rod.
No.
Rồi bây giờ mày bỏ hút vô đó, mày bỏ xuống mày cũng mới quay lại được. Oh, maybe this. Oh,
Let me put this one down.
I'll leave that one. Try to get it back.
You lose that one. All right, in a wide angle, you can see a little more. All the beds. Fit 5 of us in here perfectly.
Không, chỉ còn ra ngõ này đi ra thôi.